we've got some awesome new Barbie hacks for you. If you love getting creative with Barbie, you're gonna love these ideas. If you're new to Crafty Hackers, hit that notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. And if you like these Barbie hacks, give us a thumbs up. Hairband. You know that ring on the soda bottle cap? We're gonna turn it into something beautiful for Barbie. Carefully cut the ring off the bottle, then measure it to fit Barbie's head. Fold the ribbon in the center to make it a little triangle. Then fold one side over the triangle. Now fold the other side over, keeping alternate folds until it looks like this. Now hold one side of the ribbon and push the other ribbon up to make a little flower. Use a bit of needle and thread to sew the flower and keep it in place. Cut off the extra ribbon piece. Now fold a small piece of green ribbon over like this. Heat it up so it holds its shape. Once you've got enough for a flower wreath, you can start hot gluing the flowers to the bottle cap ring. Since the leaves are so tiny, it's better to put some hot glue onto a lid or paper plate. Use tweezers to hold the leaves and dip them into the glue. Glue the leaves between the flowers like this. Isn't she lovely? Hot tub. Even Barbie needs some rest and relaxation. So let's make her a hot tub. Grab a shoebox and remove the lid. Use a plastic container and trace the bottom of it onto the lid. Cut it out with an X-Acto knife. Put the lid back on the box and put the plastic container inside. Now for the faucet. Cut the bendy part from a blue straw. Hot glue the end closed. Hold it together with tweezers so you don't burn yourself. Now glue a silver bead or button onto the end of another straw. Paint with silver nail polish. Glue some buttons to the inside of the tub as little jets and a drain. Now glue your faucets into place. Barbie needs some shampoos and bubble baths around the tub. You can make these by gluing beads and jewelry pieces together. Cut out a piece from a styrofoam container and glue it onto the headrest. Put in some bubbles and add a little jewelry chain to the faucet so you can pull it out like a handheld shower head. So glamorous! Pan and fried eggs. Put some oil onto a piece of aluminum foil and apply 2 flat circles of hot glue. Then add a dot on top for the egg yolks. Color the yolks with yellow nail polish. Use white nail polish for the egg whites. Cut the top of a muselet. You know, the piece of metal that holds a champagne cork like this? Cut all the pieces off except one. That's going to be your pan handle. Bend it out and now you've got a skillet for your eggs. Carefully remove the eggs from the foil with an X-Acto knife and put them into the pan. Breakfast's almost ready. Sock clothes. Use a kid's sock and measure it up to Barbie's body. Now cut the foot part off the sock. Cut the foot of the sock in half. Cut the tip off the toe. And make 2 small holes for the arms. You've just made a top and a skirt for Barbie. Glue a jewel bead on the shirt for extra sparkle. Shoes. Let's make Barbie some wedge shoes. All you need is a cork. Measure and mark the cork to Barbie's foot. Cut the end off the cork. Measure to her foot and mark again. Cut with an X-Acto knife. They should fit on the bottom of the foot like this when you're done. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can just try again with the rest of the cork. Next, glue a piece of ribbon onto the inside of the shoe where Barbie's foot goes. Place her foot into the shoe and wrap the ribbon around her foot. Cut the ribbon to fit. Glue the other side of the ribbon to the inside of the shoe using tweezers. Put the shoes on and glue some jewels on top. Cool wedge shoes, Barbie! Remember when this outfit was just a sock and a cork? Faux Fur Bag. Let's have some fun with pipe cleaners or chenille stems. Attach 2 pipe cleaners at the end and bend them to make the frame of a bag. Twist together, then wrap the chenille stems around the frame, like this. When you run out, just grab another stem and wrap it around. Now grab the other portion of the pipe cleaner left over from the frame and weave it through the pipe cleaners you just wrapped. Do this for the whole purse. When you're done, fold it in half, use a chenille stem to close up the sides. Just sew it through. Then finish sewing. Before you reach the top, put the stem through the chain. The stem will keep the purse strap in place. Cut off the extra part of the stem. Now for the other side. Now Barbie's got a faux fur bag to complete her outfit. Backpack. For this, you'll need a ribbon, a matchbox, a bead, a hair tie, and 2 types of fabric. Cut the sides off a matchbox and glue the ribbon onto one of the sides. Cut a small piece of fabric to fit the little cardboard piece. Glue it back onto the matchbox. Measure the same piece of fabric around the matchbox. Hot glue the fabric around the little box. Use a hair tie to hold it together. Now glue the bottom of the ribbon straps onto the bottom of the backpack. Cut the other fabric in this shape and glue it on the back. Glue a bead to the front of the tip of the fabric and hold it over the top. Use the hair tie to hold the pocket in place. Who's ready for an adventure with Barbie? Swing! Now we're going to show you how to make a Barbie swing out of popsicle sticks. Here's how. Put 3 large sticks together, then use 2 smaller sticks to hold them together. Glue the small stick to the larger sticks on both sides. Make 2 of these. Glue the ends of the small sticks together to make a swing seat. Use small wooden dowels or kebab sticks for the sides of the swing. Make a large A shape. Hot glue it together. Now use another stick for the top. Glue it to the top of the A and slide your swing chains on the top stick. Glue the other side on. Glue another stick to the center of the smaller sticks to stabilize the swing. Place the seat inside the chains. Let's have a swing, Barbie! Necklace. Cut the arm off of Barbie as a charm for your necklace. Remove Barbie's head and place a pen in the bottom so you can easily hold her as you cut. Use an X-Acto knife to remove her face. Grab a round necklace charm like this one. Hot glue the face onto the charm. Glue the hand onto the jewel piece to add another decorative charm to the necklace. Attach the hand charm to the face charm, then add a necklace chain. And those were our awesome Barbie hacks. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Please subscribe to our channel for even more hacks. Bye!